Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so the restore can proceed. Open Settings and make sure your Google account is signed in. This is the source for most restores. Once done, go to Accounts Google and toggle Contacts Sync On, then check the last sync timestamp to know if data is recent. Make sure you have the Google Contacts app or open the Contacts tab in the phone app so you can access the restore and management options immediately. Next, perform the actual recovery using Google or a local backup. In the Google Contacts app, open Menu Settings Undo Changes and pick a time window. This reverses deletions made within that period. If you use a local VCF backup, tap Import in the Contacts app and select the file on device or SD card. Make sure you choose the correct account to import into. If contacts were on an old SIM or phone, use Import from SIM or transfer via Bluetooth or cable to consolidate them. Finish by ensuring everything's synced and cleaned up. Force a manual sync from Settings, Accounts Google Sync, now so any restored entries appear instantly. Then open Contacts and merge duplicates to tidy records. Use the app's merge tool if available. If contacts still don't show, sign out and sign back into your Google account. Verify two-step authentication isn't blocking access, and confirm that a backup existed for the chosen date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.